Okay, man. Alright. What's up, y'all? I'm back. I know y'all missed me. 400 subscribers.
Know what time it is?
Alright, so I'm back doing videos, man.
Time to pay the fiddler.
This what we're doing. New videos on the way, man. I had to break the GoPro out for y'all so we can get one going. Really. Back to like, let's just get back to what I was saying, because I ain't got long. I got a few seconds. But what I was saying was I appreciate y'all checking the videos out. One of my uncles basically said he seen my video randomly on YouTube, so that's a round of applause. So let's give ourselves a round of applause for the channel.
You ain't nothing.
Give y'all a little around. There's still some things I gotta do to my car. And like I said, being more detailed. Let me show you this. More detail, so you know I gotta, you know, any sponsors, I ain't gonna say the name, but any sponsors, yeah.
Nigga, what you want?
Y'all give me a little bit, I'm gonna give y'all a little view. It's hot. Alright, y'all, give y'all some little pics here. It's super hot out here. It's like 90 something, so bear with me. Show y'all what it look like. See, right the hood, nothing too special. I don't have the stripe no more. As you can see, pretty much took the stripe off. Yeah, HEMI logo. That's the old HEMI logo. I'm thinking about changing that out. Might change it out, man. Somebody told me paint the calipers. I feel like that's the cheap route instead of getting the Brimbos, you know. Show y'all a little more, man. Show y'all a little more before I get up out of here. Running short on time. I did clean it yesterday. I got these little marks on my hood. Okay, see, let me see. Right there, y'all see all that? So that's just like the final thing I gotta do. I gotta paint it, get it going, and it's gonna be straight. My wrap, man, my wrap is clean. It's a clean wrap, man. They did a good job. We got one more spin. One more spin. Y'all know what that was. That was the Durango. Then I think I'm changing something else out too. Y'all know I got 1792 Vibrants. I think I'm gonna change them out though. You know, they sound pretty good though, but you know, a lot of people was like, how's the drone? The drone is pretty good. Oh man. It's hot and I got a corduroy hat on. You know? Alright. So, back recording for y'all. Getting everything together. When I think about it, I put a lot of like time into this damn car when I think about it.
You gonna have a Pam? Who did I tell you to wait on? I'm gonna pay?
You know, out of the dude messing me up, talking about something, he gonna wrap my car and then liquid spraying it. That was, I don't know. That was just crazy. Little pull for y'all, man. Little pull on my windshield there. My windshield got like a couple bugs and stuff on it, but show y'all what it look like. I don't want to talk about something and not show y'all what it look like, man. So I'm here, I'm gonna give y'all some pulls. I am holding the camera, so it might be a little on the shaky side today, but I'm throughout this week, I'm getting y'all videos, man. You know, I'm showing my face more. Like I'm giving y'all everything y'all asking for, man. Give y'all a little pull. This ain't no sport mode. Little pull, man. Don't make nobody mad now. Have somebody pulling up on me. But my next thing too, y'all. Sorry, y'all. I keep switching the camera because I'm holding it. I ain't got the, like, I didn't feel like just hooking everything up, you know what I'm saying, and putting it on a stand today. So today I am recording, holding it with my hands. That makes sense. Yeah. Oh, that's down. Sorry, y'all. When I see a challenge, I be wanting to put it on there just to be like, hey, y'all, we some challengers in Milwaukee, you know what I mean? But the next thing I want to do to my car is I want to, you know what I'm saying, basically put that thing on there with my GoPro at the back so I can drive and get like some real good pulls. But I want to, yeah, get a couple pulls, man. The GoPro thing, I don't know what it's called, but it hook on to the car, and that's what I want to do. Like, I seen a dude, he had one, and I was like, damn, I wish I had my GoPro going so I can actually show y'all that, you know, more videos is coming. You know, got a little motivation to do videos for y'all. I figure since, you know, it feels good today, why not do a video? Like right now, it's about 10:43 in the morning, y'all. 10:43, so, you know, it's top of the morning.
Hey, what are you doing?
Some people ain't really got Harley Davidsons in their town, like Milwaukee. But yeah, man, you know, I love bringing y'all, you know what I mean, content y'all can watch, check out. I will try to get y'all more content. I'm just gonna stack my material up, you know. Just stack everything up. I had so many people trying to like pull up on me and like race me, and I ain't even know how to drive the thing. Now I feel like I learned how to drive. I know how to, you know what I'm saying, mess with them gears, you know, put that manual mode on. So I feel, and it's just me, I feel like manual mode and this is faster for some reason. You just gotta know what you're doing with it. Like, you gotta know what, you know what I'm saying, when it hit them, you know what I'm saying, them pedal shifters, or, you know what I'm saying, the slap stick.